So this is a quick test of your freshly recapped SE30 logic board. Yeah, I had some difficulties on some pads because they are already gone a little bit bad due to capacitor leakage, but I think I managed it very well. Also, it could be a little bit more beautiful. Well, at least it's proper functional. So, and we will put it now here in this SE30 case and check its functionality. And I will connect my SCSI drive with macOS 7.1, and we will see if this thing will boot up just fine. But I guess there shouldn't be any issues at all. So connected, all is plugged in. Keyboard, power. So as you can see, I connected my external drive. Yeah. Power on. Ah. Okay. Main power. This is necessary. The chime is already a good sign. We have a mouse cursor. And my drive should get ready soon. Yeah. Just here. Well, I didn't expect anything else than just a nice booting machine. And I popped in 4 megabytes of RAM. Yeah. And this is nice. This is ready to get packed again. Yeah. Next thing will be your Lisa video board, and yeah, as well the SE analog board stuff. But I have to check it first because usually they do not really tend to go bad. Yeah, anyway, check won't hurt. Yeah, this is it.